Today we are going to be looking at organizing your computer for the new year. I'm going to be using this today to walk you through exactly what to do to set up your new computer so that all of your digital information is nice and organized for the new year. So here we go. All right, first thing we're going to do is go into Windows. Jump into our Windows Explorer by using Windows key and E for the shortcut. And that will launch our Windows Explorer view. And from there, we're going to go into the Pictures folder. And inside the Pictures folder, we're going to create a folder called Wallpapers. So I like to save all of my wallpapers in one spot, and we're going to go ahead and do that. And once you've downloaded your wallpaper, or you've gone back to the manufacturer website and download those high-resolution wallpapers into this folder. You want to make sure that you're downloading to the resolution that you're currently showing on your computer to get the best results. And so to check what resolution you have, you can right-click on the desktop and go to Display Settings. And within Display Settings, it'll show you exactly what the recommended solution is. For my computer here, mine's 1920 by 1080. So when I go to the Razer download site, I'm going to make sure to download that resolution wallpaper for my desktop. The next thing we're going to do is take a look at the Documents folder. And I'm going to give you some tips on how to keep your Documents folder organized. This is the Documents folder that is located on your C drive underneath your user profile. And when you open up the Documents folder, it's probably going to be empty. So you're going to want to create folders that categorize all of the information that you typically work with. And I also tend to keep a superseded folder or a to be deleted folder. What that is files that I believe are out of date or no longer needed, I will copy into that folder instead of deleting them right away in case I need to go back to them for future reference. Now, things that have been sitting in this superseded folder or have been overridden by a more recent version, I will basically throw in here. And after a few weeks or so, if I still haven't gone back to those files, I would then at that point go back and delete them. You can always use a to be deleted folder or superseded folder via the Windows search to immediately look for those folders that have outdated files in them for deletion. The third thing we're going to look at is basically how to control the items that automatically launch on your computer when you first turn it on. So really, you probably want to limit these AutoLaunch apps to one or two different apps that you rely on heavily or that you use the most frequently. How are you going to access this is go down to your Windows search bar and type Startup. That will bring up your system settings that allow you to control which apps automatically launch at startup. In Windows 10, you can go through this list and toggle those items on or off. A couple tips that I have for you, at least I'll show you what I have on my desktop. Right now on my computer, the most commonly used items that I have are things for the cafe. So any files associated with that, I frequently access. So I've got that sitting on my desktop. The other item that I have is a folder full of pictures or prints, things that I need to send to the printer. Those are really the only two folders that I have on my desktop. I try to keep my desktop clean. And for that reason, I try not to keep too many things on my desktop. Now, what I'll do is from time to time, as those folders and files are no longer needed, I will move them to their respective locations in either the Documents or Pictures folder. All right, you guys, that does it for this tutorial on how to keep your PC organized, your laptop organized. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.